After an energy-efficient washing machine. This washing machine from LG will be sure to keep your laundry looking good as new. Experience an efficient way to do your laundry. With TurboWash 360, the water jets are ejected directly onto the fabrics, which minimises water use. The unique technology reduces washing time so you can do a full load in just 39 minutes. Spend less time waiting for laundry and save on your energy bills. Thanks to Steam Plus technology, your clothes feel cleaner and are easier to iron. It reduces up to 30% of creases and tackles 99.9% of allergens, leaving your clothes smooth and fresh. With the help of AI DD technology, each load is carefully analysed so the ideal motions are suited to every wash, giving your fabrics maximum care.